Girl, I know I'm not much better than before. Oh, I'm trying to I play back when it's over, the back when it's over.
So, it is currently 7 in the morning. So, wala pa akong tulog kasi I'm finishing all of these. So, I'm finishing radiology. Tapos, siguro matutulog na ako after. Siguro mga 9-ish or 8. Siguro mga 9. Magnanap ako. Tapos, may gising na lang ako ng 12. Kasi yung exam namin today is Medicine 1. So, 3 p.m. siya. So, ni-require kaming pumasok ng Zoom at around 1:30. So, I'm going to study this.
Yes, ma'am. A lot of water.
Some of the old schools.
Yes, ma'am.
So, malapit na mag 1:30 and magsa-sign in na ako sa Zoom meeting namin for my finals this afternoon. Tapos na yung exam namin for today. And I passed! Yay! Let's go, let's go!
Let's go, let's go. Oh, grabe. Sige, gusto ko talaga.
Ay, ano pala ngayon, no? Monday, so merong mga boss. Yung weekly boss. Before I continue with the video, I just want to thank Squarespace for sponsoring today's video. Squarespace is an all-in-one platform that makes building a website really simple. They have a lot of choices of beautiful ready-made templates for you to choose from, and all you need to do is customize it to match your own needs. For my past videos with Squarespace, I started getting inspirations on what my website would look like. Their whole interface is intuitive to use to the point where it kinda just feels like you're creating PowerPoint slides. You can easily embed photos and videos, embed social links, put on forms or service, and if you want to start your own business and set up an online store, they have lots of tools available for you to start what you need. So if you want a platform to start building your own website, you can head to squarespace.com for a free trial, and when you're ready to launch, go to squarespace.com/kimyap to save 10% off your first purchase of a website. Cheesecake. Sound trip 4 this morning. Still not finished reading this. I still have 2 lectures to read. Yay! My breakfast, boiled egg and bananas. Tapos, nagluluto si Papa ng tonkatsu or deep fried chicken. I don't know what that is. So, okay.
It's our set.
Hi guys, so it's currently 1:40 in the afternoon. Yung exam ko, it will start at 3 p.m. Pero I don't know what time kami required mag-login sa Zoom. Yung finals ko today is surgery. And after na exam, I will be sleeping. I'm finished with surgery finals. So, yung last exam namin tomorrow is para. Same time, 3 p.m.
But it's so hard to get to you, 'cause when you see the sun, I see the moon. Buckets of water, millions of clouds, miles of road just to get where you are. Oh, I wish it wasn't so far. Thousands of dollars just to be near, countless thoughts of...
We still have our last exam on Friday, which is our surgery written OSCE. 5 na ng hapon. So, I will be sleeping first kasi wala pa akong tulog.
Everyone to understand it, but you're in my heart.
C2 Sprite and Rosé.
So, last night, I slept early kasi I was too tired. Tapos, I woke up at 5 a.m. today, but hindi ako bumangon agad until 5:45. Kasi I'm finally getting vaccinated today. at the same time, may exam kami at 12 noon or 1 ata. Pero sabi nila 12.
Guys, so we just got home and I received the first dose. Good boy.
This is our exam for today. 100 items for 2 hours. So it will start at 1 p.m. Our finals exam are finally over. So ayun, I can now rest and I'll be waiting for the results. Hopefully, I will get promoted sa 3rd year. So that's it for the video and I hope you guys enjoyed it, and as usual, see you all on the next one.